Hi friends, my name is Sridhar. I'm going to present about the Andhra recycling paper industry. In Dubai, everybody will say think before you print. The same thing will be available in our home country as well. So, other people, when you go to the home country, please think before going to print. This industry, this idea came across from 3 years back when I went to India when they banned the usage of plastic in the region actually. What I thought that why can't we start a recycling paper industry in our region so that it will be helpful for the market and for me as well in the growth. The main objective of this industry is recycling. It's a recycling business producing and selling the paper pods and other paper products by the recycling process. And this is a very medium scale plant which is going to start in the initial phase 1. Once it got succeed, then we'll take it to the phase 2 and phase 3 level. And it's a private company which is owned by me, and the management of this company is I may act as the managing director, and Mr. Sudhakar will act as CFO, and Suresh will act as HR head, and Kari Alex will act as production and procurement head. Mr. Sandhu will look into sales and marketing of the company. We almost I can say this is all the dream we all almost from last 1 year working on this project to start the plant by 2016 actually. And about our business, it's very simple. Our business is to convert the used paper to the new reusable paper and other paper products. And the benefits of this industry is environmental friendly and socially and economically it's a benefit. I take into the benefits in the next slide. And the main customers of our industry is the paper industries, who are the main customers of our business. They use our products as raw materials of their paper which are going to use it. And we, along with the paper for recycling plant, we are going to produce the products using the recycling actually. Here are some of the products which are going to produce in our factory. We are main 50% of the products we are targeting to produce for paper bags, as since the demand is more for the paper bags after the plastic bags are banned. So we are thinking to 50% of the production capacity we are going to target on the paper bags, and then to go to the tissue papers in the second category, and the notebooks, magazines, business cards, and the calendars, and the USB sticks and the cardboard items will be in a 10% allocation ratio. And we come up we tied with an interior company who do the interior designing in the homes using the recycling paper designs actually. And these are the steps of process which is involved in the recycling of the paper. I take it to the next slide which will be more convenient for you people to understand what is going on there here. Whereas in the plantation paper you can see the things which is coming from the tree is going to the drum, and then it is going to chopper, and it is going to thermolytic refiner. This all is a chemical process, and then it will go to the paper making machine. Whereas in our recycling process, we'll collect the paper and it will go to the collection, and once after collection it is going to burn it, and it's going to the inkising, and then it will go to the screening section, and then it will go to the thermomechanical recycling pulp which is in the final stage, and then once the pulp is ready, it will go to the paper making machine. Here the uses of water and uses of the chemicals is very less when compared to the plantation paper. And our main market plan will be in the 4 categories: government agencies, private companies, and retail outlets, and the restaurants. Government agencies definitely we need to target because the government is promoting more the eco-friendly products these days in the market. So we need to definitely tie up with them. And the private companies who need the certificates and who needs the go green, they always need to be using our products as well. And the retail outlets, I can say all the grocery shops, supermarkets, instead of plastic bags and the tissue paper, they can use our recycled products, which will be in the same range actually. And the restaurant, the usage of tissue papers and the parcel services more in the restaurants, we are targeting the customers in the restaurants as well. And our price, when coming to the price, we are thinking we cannot, since we are starting a new company, we cannot give 100% rebates for the existing comparing to the existing suppliers. What we are thinking about is what is the market price. We are going to charge for the same price for the pulp, but for the products which are going to produce, we'll keep them as a minimum as possible, so that the people will go for the recycling paper products instead of going to buy the plastic. And the distribution channel will be through individual, corporate, and government agencies. And promotions is applicable only for the products which are going to manufacture, and all the promotions will be aired in all the commercial TVs in the website. And the raw materials of this industry is more from the local wastage paper which we are going to use in the daily uses. We are going to appoint a few employees, and we'll send them to all the villages near to our plant, and we'll give a training to them and we'll explain them what are the uses of this plant, so that please support us using the giving the wastage. We are going to put a toll-free number so that whenever the waste bin is filled, my people will go and calculate it actually with a free of cost. And the forecast of this industry is phenomenally it's good, and it's in the demand is on the rise actually. I can say the increasing the population at the same, the GDP rate is very good, and the improvement of this manufacturing sector will be in this paper industry in India is phenomenally better than in other country. And the market forecast, if you see from the data of from 30 years, its demand will be increasing day by day. So we need to start and increasing the production capacity as soon as possible once we start. And every business has a competition. We also have a competition in this business, but since it's now the business is not that much prominent in our region, what we thought that in this region is a completely new plant. And since we come from a very small village background, we don't have any type of industries in our area, so this will be completely unique businesses in our. But since we need to be sustainably positioned in this field, we always look into the competition. This is the per capita consumption in the world, which you can see for each country how much it is actually. And this is the operational plan which we are going to follow. We cut the scrap and we'll process the raw material and making the pulp. And after making the pulp, we sold the paper pulp to the paper industry, and the remaining pulp we'll use it in the paper products making. The technology, this plant is completely automatic plant, so the uses of administration, the production cost is very less. And in the phase 2 level, we are going to upgrade the machinery for the more productivity. And this is SWOT analysis. Every industry has strength, weakness, and opportunities. The strength of this company is the low price and environment friendly, and the weakness is that the machinery is not available in the local in India. We need to hire it from outside. And opportunities, once the plant is started, the employment opportunities definitely will increase. And the threats, the existing paper firms, we need to say about it. This is the financial analysis which we are going to think to start using this amount. We are going to start initially 4 crores, and in this total investment we are going to divide into 4 categories, and we'll invest it on each category for the first 1 year. It will 50% go to machinery and 20% marketing, 20% operational cost, 10% exit cost. And the benefits of this industry is, I can say, is recycling of a newsprint saves about 1 ton of food, while like recycling of 1 ton printing paper saves more than 2 tons of food. And the paper recycling reduces 40% of energy, which you can say. And the social benefits, using recycled paper reduces the needs of primary raw material, so we don't need to use our chemicals in the process making. And these are our product 100% recycled paper for all product performance and commercial needs, and manufactured with the best consideration of conserving resources and energy. And all the material which we are going to produce in the pantry, they are again recycled, and we can use it up to 6 times actually. And the final note, by using recycled paper, you can save trees, conserve water, save energy, reduce soil water and emissions of greenhouse. Finally, reduce, reuse and recycle is our caption of our Andhra recycling industry. Hope you enjoyed.